What will happen to your body if you do plank every day? The finest workout to improve your core and abdominal is the plank. Planks improve your body balance while strengthening your hips, lower back, and tummy. The advantages of plank workouts can be really beneficial. They not only strengthen your core and increase your metabolism. Planks also improve your posture and strengthen your back, lowering the risk of a back injury. Yoga practitioners, professional boxers, and athletes in sports such as hockey, cricket, and football includes planks in their workout routine. The plank is a key transitional stance used in boxing and other martial arts training between sets of push-ups and crunches. It helps to strengthen the core abdominal muscles, which are a section of the body that martial artists and boxers require to have a lot of endurance. So what are the top benefits of plank exercise? Step 1. Planks. Improves body balance and posture. A plank can help you attain greater body balance, posture, and coordination in addition to muscle growth and endurance. Because of this, the plank is considered an essential aspect of any fitness routine. You are less likely to get injuries to single muscle groups during your workout if you have good balance. Step 2. Strengthens your core. The spine, shoulder bones, pelvis, and joints make up your body's core. You will be able to perform some workouts better if you have a strong core. Step 3. Improves body flexibility. Practicing the plank stance on a regular basis might help to stretch the core muscular groups. This offers numerous advantages, particularly for yoga practitioners. Step 3. Planks reduces belly fat. The plank stance targets primarily your core abdominal muscles, making it an excellent exercise for shedding stubborn belly fat. The plank stance targets primarily your core abdominal muscles, making it an excellent exercise for shedding stubborn belly fat. Step 4. Planks reduces back pain. The plank stance aids in the correct alignment of the vertebrae, small bones, in the spine. This can help relieve back pain and potentially prevent or delay the onset of back discomfort as people age. Furthermore, because this pose strengthens your abdominal muscles, it will aid in supporting your body's weight when walking upright. This will also aid in the prevention of back pain. Step 6. Improves metabolism. This posture aids in the growth of abdominal muscles and, in some situations, muscles in other sections of the body, due to added core strength. You will burn more calories if you gain muscle mass, which will help you maintain a healthy appetite. As a result, practicing the plank stance on a daily basis can help to boost metabolism. If you like the video, do share with your friends and subscribe to the channel for content related to health and fitness.